Right. The last bit of these notes, we've talked about isosceles and equilateral, is down here, this corollary. If you remember right, we had postulates, which are rules. Theorems are things we can prove correct. And then these corollaries, they go with theorems. They're a little bit more specific kind of statement. So they go with the theorem and they're more specific. This corollary to the base angles theorem says that if a triangle is equilateral, then it's equiangular. This means all equal sides, all equal angles. All congruent sides makes all congruent angles. It's very much like the base angles theorem. It's just the base angles theorem had two congruent sides. This has three. Now, what makes this a little bit easier then, and we talked about it the other day in some of our other notes, triangles have three angles. They are all 180, add up to 180. So I know the sum is 180. I know that there are three of those angles. So if I divide them, that is 60. So all of these are 60 degrees. In an equiangular triangle, they're all 60. So when I go to do this example, if I want to find x, all I have to do, 5x plus 25 equals 60. 5x equals 35, x equals 7. Equilateral triangle. If I want to find y, 4y equals 60. Divide by 4, I get y equals 15. If I want to find z, same kind of idea here. 32z minus 4 equals 60. Add the 4, divide, and I get z equals 2. So it's a lot of just setting them equal to 60. Now, the converse, we flip-flop it again, just like we did before. So this time equiangular means equilateral. If all of these angles are equal, that means all of the sides are equal. So I'm going to find x. A lot like I did before. 6x plus 16 equals 9x minus 11. I'm going to subtract the 6x, add the 11, divide by 3, and I get x equals 9. And that's great, but that's not what it asked me to find. It asked me to find perimeter. So I'm going to plug this in. 6 times 9 plus 16. 6 times 9, 54. 54 plus 16 is 70. So that side's 70. 9 times 9 minus 11. 81 minus 11 is 70. These sides are all equal. These two are 70. That one has to be 70. And then remember, perimeter, we just add up the sides. So 70 plus 70 plus 70 is 210 centimeters.